Hello again. In the world of Salesforce, it's important. It's in the world of nonprofits in general. It's important to understand the relationships between people, the relationships between businesses, the relationships between businesses and households, the roles of people in households. So you would want to, if you are running a fundraising campaign and you're talking to people, it's important to know how they relate to other donors that we know, how constituents in general relate to each other. So, what does this person have to do with this business? Are they working there? Are they employer? Are they employee? What's the role of this person in this household? Are they the father? Are they the son? How are these two people related to each other? How is this business related to this other business? How is this household related to any of those? And so on. So as you can see, it can get cumbersome. So Salesforce has introduced three concepts or three objects. The first one is an account-account relationship. And this is a table or an object that represents, you create records on this object to represent relationships between two businesses. And in Salesforce, it's important to know that we're going to use the term account and we're going to use the term person account. So account, person account. An account represents a business entity or a household. A person account represents an individual. And person account and contact, these two are the same. So if we say person account, it's the same thing as a contact. It's the same thing as an individual or just one person. So person account represents individuals. Accounts represent businesses or households. So an account-account relationship is what we would use to create a relationship between a business entity and another business entity, between a household and another household, between a business entity and a household, any of those. The second concept is a contact-contact relationship. And we said contact is the same thing as person account. So it's person account relationship, or contact relationship. The name of the object is contact relationship. So when we look at it in Salesforce, we know what we're looking for. And this represents a relationship between two individuals. And the way this works is that in Salesforce, I'll show you this in practice in a future video. What you would do is that you're going to navigate to any of those people's pages or any of those business pages. You go to the page of person C and you look for the relationships, the contact relationships, and it's going to show you all the people that are related to this person. If you need to look at the people that are related to this person, you'd go to this person's page. If you need to see all the businesses related to this business, you go to this business page and you see what we call a related list, showing you all the account relationships, so you can see all the related accounts. So you navigate to the page, you see that object. That's where you see related accounts. You go to this page, you look at this object. This is where you see related contacts. The third concept is an account-contact relationship. And that means that there is a relationship between an individual and a business, or an individual and a household, or in other words, between a contact and an account. And the object's name is account-contact relationship, but if you navigate to a business page, you're going to see a related list called related contacts. So it's just labeled as a related list as related contacts. And if you go to a person's account, you would look for a related list called related accounts. So if you go to a person, you see related accounts. If you go to a business, you see related contacts. I know it's a lot. We don't have to remember all of this. It's going to make a lot more sense when we actually see this in practice in a future video.